Just when we thought say Kennedy Japan as silence will be him na obinim nasem nyina no kono etiefo obinim has found his way back into the trends and na me ne oka say okoga na Twitter obinim trendy at number 1 na me ni name no is because of a trending audio bia ekoso na audio no mebo atro na ansa na mebo audio no be say me church nyama bi na wo bia etiase now and then I may as a report we a 5th of June 2020 and that 4th of June 2020 you celebrate 5 years on yenia ya kai Ghana eja hye e course e was circle ankofu bebre over 100 Ghanaians ewu ye yenia ya kai sa national disaster bia esi ye there is a video going viral and I said there is an audio going viral of Obinim speaking. Say that time no Nyankopon esoma wonu Obinim say wonko save in Krofo into onu Obinim than angel. Eko etuye. Eko cycle ho. Na wako cycle ho no na so remember mienu na eja na ebe hye omo e na wonu Obinim e save omo. In the first place audio way me mama krati ye personally me mama krati ye no opportunity o say asembe nkreni asemo me mama kan no. So a lot of Ghanaians are reacting to this, but let me say this particular audio, I don't know for sure whether it is new or not, because it is not news say Obinim audios and any videos bia eba no be say eto de bia nsem bia wakan twem na ya shede ade aba to suit the matter. It means say Endra you celebrated the 5 years on Endra 3rd June 3rd June and as a natural disaster this year 3rd June. It means say 3rd June you celebrated 5 years on of some national disaster no and Ankrofo ekope audio we by and na say will be in Nankasa na Nancy and Asisia or yes audio whichever way no you go tie back because in some wakan wom no nsem bia will no make huge claims. So let's go and listen. Now you could hear back and someone Ghana for the way Ghanaians are reacting to this particular thing. No, yeah, they are not so ever bremo. You go timbra.
Kawajimidi. It was Jimmy did a journey to Miss Mamma Semen Conco Buano. No Maquaco Buano. And I will be a name and should be a told June 3rd be a circle I'm going for free Jimmy. Me was sister Bakubi because me done him with different person. I tell myself as a different person. I mean, in Crawford because soon me done when people for essay overall. And I mean, you win me because in short or second, Johnny Petro name. No damn the Jesus catching to be me fast. You're fast. You're fast. Na ka wo koyi Crawford am say that no see e jabi says it me damn passion me local pro me spirit ni pie na me fast call circle. Me call circle na fe Johnny ya me gigi. Hey. Me hwe na omo ye me mba pa ye ma asole ma ye tupe ba kwa ne fe ne vehicle obedi adanse ene Mr. Freddy Chemensa bi koyi omo fa ne mu se ba ko so shabro sanso na rade say we so ka my friend Richard Ayulugu no so me ye fast call Richard wo koyi no afi me mu se me mba bia ni ho ba me hwe na gel ba ko bi gina ho a ejani so ne be hye no e fa na Jesus ka say wonye wo ba o ma wa asole ba okoda ki wo de mo sa asole eti yi no ko so e Kristo ni wana me ye fast me wu nsuo ni this time only ban hospital be na ncha me show nim na me me say we fan left bad am the free ho you na ni ban so odi osi baby bra me da was me fe na me gra he but wonim say ye me because Jesus catch me say okoda ki wo de me asole but we Kristo ni obo Yesu din eti me ye adwuma man krofo bi but omo nim say ye me
deep revelation.
Wow masa aso me ken Bible say oni pa do one over kabia no Jesus Christ will judge you one day in heaven. Please, I came for purpose. I'm here for assignment. When I finish my assignment, I'll go back. So you are talking back to Obinim. Be very careful and extra careful. Because no come and say bonnet kim. Na angels are a washing in a edge. to be born by Obeja, because what can you want some? What did you?
I'm just remembering them.
I'm
just remembering them.
I better know what in your castle, dear dance back.
Etiefo. Asama will be in America, no. Hey! Now, so, send me the catch on Twitter, Obi Nimdin air trending at number 1. Now, the entire air trending is because of this particular audio. But some me read the comments now, you share the Ghana for Eka. Now, the first comment that will be at the bio was say, Obi Nimdin, after all this, he still the lie. Not just Obi can say, into Obi Nim. Sebe die Kennedy Japan wa ma wa fremu ni no still u chan tratra nkrofo se boye angel asema wo bi e kan no obi nso say meba I say one man fit fly like Thor, swim like Aquaman and have the strength of Hawk. This guy pan there I for watch in judgment before I enter heaven gate sake of the videos we go get spied there. Asema will be canon. Obi also say this man they lie. Oh, hey, he narrates X-Men with a blend of June 3rd. Asema will be air canon. Obi also say Father Lord. It's like a kid trying to impress his friends by telling them a ridiculous, absurd story with no shame at all. I can't watch a grown man lie so casually like this. The nipa ku can say nyankopon. Send the obi ni make say ase akole bi asebe. Wache ne nan fufuo nkola wo twa mo ntro ye ne aya ye bi pembra ye nkola no uchi wadanfo akola na wo twa ne ntro hey akama na me ye Superman akama na me ye Superman na mafaha akama na me ye Superman na ma yese na makochiwe won sansem no ena wo bi kan se wo bi nim still ase nkola nyama ne wo nini so wo guso yes ade no obi say this one there before verify sake of Freddie Chamensa did this up top. Obi also say, listen to the other so-called pastor, deep revelation. Hey, concept for also Obi ni make asano. Obe voice ewechi and the pakona say hey deep revelation. It's Obi ka say the pakona work deep revelation. You see, and that's funny. Say the pakwa what you know Obi ni mo work deep revelation no. Nanka you be foforo. Yen fa say na downfall and na work so we were trainer. Obviously, Nankobeka said Nadam for no a chantro. But as I say, you'll be in or see deep revelation. And you see, that's one thing. These pastors have people around them as Uncle Fui, they dare not tell the pastor, say, I did where I will kind of a intro. Imagine. Say, somewhere I will be making Nanka on live TV. Nanka, one of the pastors, Naka say, oh, Papa, where they will try intro. Nanka, that's the end. That is the end of the person. So in a way, most of these pastors, they have bootlickers around them. At the end of the crana, or just say or support it. At the end of any question, where ye crana, or buano now I ye assemble womunia womu asemu. And then they assemble. Obenso say which kind joke crab is this? It be say in church members he takes something puts them an eye stop or what? How you go listen this then believe? Asema will be can say na sebi agrobe nkreni aden sebi obi nim no na sorry mba no odi bibi atomoni so ana ete sebi ete esi omoni so ana na enkola kra enji asemwe endi nti obi nim asori members no epeso mo kasa asemwe wo mu believe ya na asema will be can no obi say they know also they know Jesus doesn't exist as judgment day, so they fabricate anything lies and quan. These men are smart. Asema will be canon say obi ni mu nim say Jesus dey woni ho nti entronkwa no mu twa nkrofo. Obi also say I swear this guy can lie for the universe. Obi also say there is a special place in hell for these people. Obi also say hey asemo obi say no one no one is talking about so Jesus no stop the fire but it turned Obinim to flash for shege reasons. But you see asem we ni na no one thing is that people are raising very valid points. Points we are the pakune raising no yes you be valid. I say hey it will be nim Yesu Kristo we nya to me say eja no wo de bedum na wosoma wo mom say koyi nkrofo film asem a wo bi kan no amontra majo comment box ni mo